Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's Saturday before Father's Day, blah blah blah. So I'm gonna go hang out. Actually, I'm gonna go watch Flash with my husband. So if you want to see what look I create, you already know what to do. Keep on watching. So yes. Oh, so this is pretty. So these are the shades. So this is from Violet Voss, and it is the Sakura Blossom, and it's 18 color eyeshadow and press pigment palette. So these are the shades kind of on the back. So on the back they look really light, but they're a little bit darker. Oops, they're a little bit darker like in there. So I don't know. Let's start with a look real quick. So I'm gonna go in with Season, and I'm gonna put that in my outer V, like right here. I feel like Violet Voss, her foundation is like kind of like hit and not her foundation. I was like, these are like kind of a hit and miss for me. Some of them are like really good, and some of them I feel like they, they don't blend like. So it's definitely, a hit and miss. So this is an R37. I don't know. Let's go to Delicates and see if I can like blend this out a bit. Like, and then I'm gonna go back to this shade right here and just kind of blend this. Oops. Now back to that brush. And guys, don't be scared. Don't be scared so that you have to like go in and go in and go in. Like, look at this blend. So pretty. So let me see. I think I'm gonna put Tokyo in my inner corner. Let's put some Tokyo. I need a little bit of glitter glue. I need to buy some more glitter glue. And then I'm just gonna put it at the tip of my finger and just go in right here. Like so. You can almost just leave this like this if you're just going for like a real simple look. I mean, not like this look is crazy, not simple, but I feel like I've done like a lot of pink looks recently. I didn't really want to do a pink look, so we're just gonna do maybe we'll do a bold lip with that colorful shirt I have on. So this is from Nars, and which brush is this? Number 49 brush, and we're gonna go into Tokyo, and we're gonna put this like right here. So I think I need to blend this. Trying to get a small brush. This is an M518, and I'm gonna go into Sweet and just blend this a little bit, maybe like right here. Actually, I'm using Fairy Tale, and I'm just gonna blend everything nicely. And then back into that Season. I feel like I lost some of Season right here. Okay, so this is cute. After I use a billion brushes, so we're gonna attempt a wing on camera. I usually don't do my wing on camera because they take forever. This is actually Better Than Sex. It's from Too Faced. Let's start my first line. Okay, so that's perfect. So I'm gonna go off camera. I'm gonna do my other eye and I'll be right back. Okay, so we are back, and you know, eyeshadow is kind of you know, but I work with what I had from my BoxyCharm box. So now let's jump into this foundation Friday. So this is the L'Oreal Age Perfect Radiant Serum Foundation Sunscreen. This have SPF 50 in there, so that's amazing. I like stuff with SPF. Let's put a little primer on. Who is this from? Let's use Beauty for Certain and primer. I actually used that primer like one time and haven't used it again. So let's give her a whirl. And let me grab my brush. I'm gonna use my Flawless brush from Plain Makeup by Yolondo. Does this have a pump? No, it does not have a pump. So it's just like a squeezy thingy, like so. This is light. But let's see, or maybe not. I don't know, man, like lately I am obsessed with like bandos and anything that doesn't have any like wires. I mean, maybe this is like my old age. I just don't want anything that's just gonna like restrict me. And even if I'm not like, oh god, I don't think I'm gonna be talking about this. But I'm not one of the heavy ladies, you know. But I just need like, I just need to be free. I think it's a little bit dark, so I'm gonna put a little bit of this. This is my Tarte Shape Tape. I'm just putting a little bit lighter on it. Just a little bit. This is massive. This is like bigger than my face. So from Stanley, it's 40 ounces. I love it. It's like the perfect amount of, you know, stuff. Do I need all this tea? Maybe not. I do not like this. But am I drinking all this tea? Yes. But it's not tea. So where I'm from, we pretty much call everything tea, but this is it this tea? Yeah, this is actually chai tea, but anything hot we just call it tea. Even if it's even if it's like hot chocolate or like we just say tea. If it's hot, it's tea. But this is actually tea, like this is turmeric and ginger Thai tea. I'm obsessed. This, oh my god, this is actually a E5 brush. You know what's crazy about this? I think Morphe, actually, I look on the side the other day for that brush because I know I use it a lot. And they discontinued, but it's like so perfect because when you like contouring, it's like this. Oh, and this is from Mario, and it is dark. I'm like, why would they do that? Like, why would they discontinue? Perfect. Perfect. Let us blend this. It's so pretty. And don't worry about this, I'm gonna like blend it. Tarte Shape Tape can be like a really good concealer, but I know a lot of people don't like it because it can be dry. So I bend this like this, and then I just kind of tap this just to go close enough to my eyebrow because I don't want it to mess my eyeshadow up. So good. So good. Back to this brush. Which is what I use, and then just tapping this so it looks nice and blended, you know. Look at this. Okay. Now what are we gonna do for blush? Blush, let's use Love from Rare Beauty. One, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3. That might be too much, but you know, it already happened. And this is from e.l.f. It's a big chunky brush. I'm gonna blend in it with my bronzer or contour. Then we're gonna use my powder, and then this is my #1 powder from Charlotte. It's just a number, not I'm not saying it's my #1 powder, but I just use a little bit of this like so. This is from Laura Mercier. It is the translucent, and then I'm just going in. I love this little sponge thing. I get them from Amazon, but it goes like literally all the way up here, like let's try this. This is what Topaz from Jeffree Star. I think this might be a little bit dark. No, it's fine. Ooh, now I know why I don't like this. So it does have a smell. It doesn't last, but it's definitely there. Cool, I don't like this powder. Like I like the finish, but I just don't like the smell. This is just this is actually a foundation brush. It's the 732 from Luxie. Oh my god, I'm like all over the place today. I feel like that happens when I'm recording like 3 videos at one time. It can be a little bit difficult, just a little bit. Nothing crazy, but usually I record like 2 videos, but I'm recording like 3 videos. So I have to kind of remember, you know, to like touch on like 3 things. It's difficult to record. What is this? Rosy Cheeks from MAC. This is Topaz from Jouer. We're on a roll. We're just going. So this is Limitless Brown from Makeup Forever. And then we're gonna go in with Nude from Plain Makeup by Yolondo. And then I want something light in the middle. And this is from Sugar Pill. Perfect. This is perfect. Ooh, oh my god, I almost forgot under my eye. What should I put there? Let's use this pencil. This is from Too Faced. Not Too Faced, sorry, Kat Von D. It's just a black, like a really dark brown liner, I think. Yep. It's brown 20. Let's put a little bit of Festival, which is like this pink right here. What are we gonna do in the inner corner? Let's put Bubbly. Okay, perfect. I know this is like a messy. What is happening here?
Cupcake skirts here. Let's chill the chocolate, chill the beans.
Wait, now what is happening here?
This is like a messy bun, I guess. I don't know. No, I like this like this. Okay, let's just leave it alone. Okay, so that's it guys for this video. I like how the look come out. I know it's simple, but I'm really just gonna go to the movies with my husband and daughter, so nothing, you know, crazy is happening. So yeah, so that's it for this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family, and you know what, I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys.
But I don't wanna be like you, 'cause I could do better. I could do better.